Okay, fellow woodworkers on the web. This is an old Shopsmith 10ER lathe from the 1950s. Not much work's been done to it. I've got a one-way tailstock, I guess you call it a spinner, chuck at this end, an old one from a Nova, adapted to fit the lathe. We're going to turn a tenon on the end of this piece of legging stock for another little project I'm making. Really simple setup. Push it in, advance the quill, engage, lock, turn on. Smooth running. Mark in 1 inch. Very crude but effective. 1 inch. Skew chisel. Define the shoulder. Turn the rest away. Check for 1 inch dimension. Calipers, by the way, come from about 1933. They belonged to my grandfather. They're older than the lathe. Still work fine. Just a smidgen. Right on the money. Nice and simple, easy going. Pick this one up second hand. If you can get one in good condition, I recommend buying it. As a lathe, you can't go wrong. End of story for me.